Hey YouTube, we're sailing on Utopia of the Seas, so we wanted to give you a quick tour of our interior room on Deck 9. When you first enter the room, there's a closet to your right. You have 6 shelves, pretty good space. We were able to fit a lot of clothes in there. You also have a safe. I would say an iPad could fit in there. Plenty of space for cameras as well, and any documents. Alright, let's move to the other side. And this is where you can hang your clothes. The closets come with hangers, of course, which was great. Don't forget to ask your steward for more hangers if you need them. Plenty of space. You see you have a hook there. There's 2 rows for hanging clothes. And at the bottom, you can put your shoes. At least that's what we did. We put our shoes there. I'm sure you can stack other things in there as well. Next to the closet are the drawers. Every room comes with some tissue and a blow dryer. Below that drawer is your mini refrigerator. It did not get super cold like the usual cruise refrigerators, but it did chill our sodas and juices and whatever else we put in there throughout our cruise. Next, you have an additional 4 drawers. Pretty decent size. Here's the TV. It actually pulls out, which was a great feature, so you can watch it comfortably when you're laying down on the bed. Make sure to download some TV shows and movies before the cruise. This ship didn't have a lot of free on-demand options. Over here is the desk/vanity area. The chair was so cute and it was so soft. It felt so good. The mirror has lights inside of it, so you can make sure you get that perfect glow. Underneath the mirror, you have all your different outlets. It's the perfect charging station. And here's the bed at the back of the room. We have it set up as a king bed. You can also have it set up as 2 twins. Each side has a nightstand with 2 cubbies. The lamps even have USB ports and regular outlets on them, which are so convenient. Here's the phone, which you can use to call your steward or order up some late night snacks like us. And over here is the body length mirror, which is perfect for getting ready. You also have a chair in the corner, so that's extra seating. This controls the power to the room. As long as you have a card in the slot, you can turn your lights on. Here's the thermostat. You can control how hot or cold you would like the room.
Alright, let's see how the restaurant looks. Y'all ready? It stays open. This is a nice restroom. Don't rush your flush, people. Don't rush your flush.
Thanks, Des. So there are 1, 2, 3 shelves in the bathroom on the left side. They're kind of small, but as you can see, they fit a lot. Here's the sink, and it does get hot. Here's my favorite part. Underneath the sink is extra storage space. We love extra storage space. In the corner is a pretty standard toilet. On the back of the bathroom door, there are 2 hooks. And yes, that means extra storage space. Lastly, here's the shower, and it has a door, which we loved. The shower had multiple settings. And let me tell you now, this shower gets hot, so be careful. There's also a clothesline in the shower. Pretty good size. I had some space to put your soap, handrails, even a hook for your towel. It was pretty good size. And that's the bathroom. Overall, the interior room was actually a really good size for me and my husband. We had plenty of space on our 3-day cruise on Utopia of the Seas. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Cruising with Lou for more cruising content.